In order to achieve the visionary goal of providing every Jamaican family with a $50 million asset within the span of 10 years, it is imperative for the government and society as a whole to think outside the box and explore innovative and transformative solutions. While the desire for repatriation funds from former colonial masters may be a long-standing and understandable one, the reality of the situation dictates that alternative avenues must be pursued to drive economic growth and prosperity in Jamaica. Rather than relying on external sources for financial assistance, there lies a significant opportunity in leveraging Jamaica's unique assets and capabilities to attract investment and foster sustainable development. One such avenue that holds immense potential is the tourism sector, which has long been a pillar of Jamaica's economy. By opening up the door to European investors and encouraging the development of 120 mega all-inclusive hotels across the island, the government could potentially unlock UK pound 30 billion in investment, injecting a much-needed stimulus into the economy. The implications of such a venture are far-reaching, with the potential to not only bolster the tourism industry, but also create jobs, stimulate local businesses, and uplift communities across Jamaica. By strategically positioning the country as a premier destination for international travelers, Jamaica can capitalize on its natural beauty, rich cultural heritage, and warm hospitality to attract a steady influx of visitors and revenue. However, the benefits of such an endeavor extend beyond mere economic prosperity. At the heart of this vision lies a fundamental commitment to empowering Jamaican families and individuals to achieve financial security and homeownership. By embarking on a large-scale housing project aimed at constructing 30,000 affordable housing units annually for the next decade, the government can provide a tangible pathway for low-income and middle-income Jamaicans to own a home of their own. Through strategic partnerships with reputable Chinese construction firms renowned for their expertise in large-scale projects, the government can streamline the building process, reduce costs, and ensure the quality and sustainability of the housing units. By offering these homes at affordable prices and extending favorable financing options to eligible buyers, the government can pave the way for a new era of homeownership and wealth creation in Jamaica. Moreover, by targeting key workers such as nurses, teachers, police officers, and other public servants, the government can prioritize the housing needs of those who play a vital role in serving the community. By providing access to quality housing for essential workers, the government not only recognizes their invaluable contributions, but also strengthens the social fabric and stability of Jamaican society as a whole. As a pastor with a deep sense of faith and a commitment to prayer, I am dedicated to standing in the gap for Jamaica and advocating for solutions that address the root causes of social and economic challenges. I firmly believe that by combining practical initiatives with spiritual principles, we can foster holistic transformation and create a brighter future for all Jamaicans. In a world where complex issues and systemic challenges abound, it is crucial for us to come together as a community, a nation, and a people to envision bold and impactful solutions. By embracing innovation, collaboration, and a shared vision for progress, we can overcome obstacles, seize opportunities, and create a legacy of prosperity and hope for generations to come. As we embark on this journey towards a more equitable, prosperous, and united Jamaica, let us draw strength from our shared history, our collective resilience, and our unwavering faith in a better tomorrow. Together, we can turn dreams into reality, challenges into opportunities, and setbacks into stepping stones towards a brighter and more prosperous future for all Jamaicans. Thank you for watching another episode of my series titled 30 billion US dollars, repatriation money available for Jamaica to claim. Funding to build 30,000 affordable housing units each year, employing 300,000 Jamaicans in permanent full-time jobs. and earning an extra $10 billion each year for the country's GDP. Some key features of the $30 billion repatriation funding program are A. 120 hotels to be built across Jamaica, especially near areas with high unemployment rates, earning an extra $10 billion each year for Jamaica. B. Providing 300,000 permanent full-time jobs for low-skilled citizens in rural parishes across Jamaica. C. 300,000 affordable housing units to be built over the next 10 years, from 2025 to 2034. 30,000 to be built each year. D. Franchises for the 120 large, all-inclusive hotels will be given to foreign direct investment over the next 1 to 5 years from 2025 to 2029. E. Each hotel costing approximately $250 million to build, totaling $30 billion, all paid for by the foreign direct investments repatriation money coming back to Jamaica. F. Minimum wage to be increased by 15% each year, reaching $200 per week in the next 5 years. G. Jamaica's agriculture needs to start growing by 20% every year, for the next 10 years and beyond. This is to create stability in the country as the tourism industry starts growing by 20% every year, for the next 10 years. Thanks for watching this video. To support this channel, please click on the subscribe button. Share this video in your WhatsApp groups and send it to all your friends, as we try to demonstrate how the tourism industry can transform lives in Jamaica. Remember to let us know what you think about this video by leaving your comments below. Please keep your comments respectful. God bless you, God bless the Jamaican Parliament, and God bless Jamaica. Until my next video, peace and love.